At Dyna, we specialize in commissioning clean rooms, designed to facilitate aseptic filling lines. Our clean rooms adhere to the stringent Grade A regulations, outlined in the ISO standard, to maintain cleanliness, temperature, and humidity of the clean room at specific levels. In the event of challenging or non-standard conditions, we employ innovative design modifications to address and resolve any challenges that may arise to maintain sterile environment.
In the existing aseptic filling facility, we maintain Grade A cleanliness through a specific system. The clean room is equipped with ceiling-suspended laminar airflow units. Air is initially drawn from the air handling unit, and it is distributed to the clean room through HEPA filters installed on the ceiling of the room. The air is then allowed to enter the laminar airflow unit after passing through a pre-filter located on the sides of the laminar airflow unit. This pre-filtered air undergoes further filtration through the main HEPA filter before being supplied to the work area. The airflow within the work area is allowed to exit through the louvers located beneath the work area. When the airflow from the terminal filter is higher than the airflow required inside the work area, then all the used air from the work area, along with the remaining air inside the room, flows back to the air handling unit through a pre-filter in the return air riser. This way, the system maintains the required cleanliness standards within the clean room. However, there are situations where a significantly large volume of laminar air is needed within the work area to maintain sterility, compared to the air volume coming from the terminal HEPA filter. Due to this, a portion of the contaminated air inadvertently moves upward towards the laminar air flow unit suction zone, instead of following the intended path to the return air riser. This fouls the clean room. To prevent this recirculation and movement of contaminated air inside the passage where there is a human movement, we have developed an innovative solution, employing fan filter modules to maintain desired level of cleanliness. These fan filter modules are directly fed with air from the plenum. The conditioned air from the rooftop installed air handling unit is supplied to the plenum, and from there, the air is distributed directly to the fan filter units through suitable ducting. Within the fan filter modules, the air undergoes filtration with HEPA filters, and then diffuses through a CG screen inside the work area. The filtered air, now in a laminar flow, circulates within the work area, and exits through the louvers beneath that area. All the contaminated air, along with the remaining air inside the room, is then channeled through a return air riser, equipped with a filter. To ensure precise air distribution within the return air riser, manual dampers and constant velocity dampers are used. A sizable portion of this returned air is directed back to the plenum, while the remainder is supplied to the air handling unit. This modification in the existing design effectively resolves the issue and enhances the sterility within the clean room.